Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, going to show you how you can fix brightness on iPhone iOS 18. First up here, just have to disable brightness and accessibility settings. Go to your settings, scroll down and find accessibility, go to display and text size. Here, you just have to turn off auto brightness. The second option here is by updating your iPhone software. Close your settings first. For example, close all apps. And then here, go to again settings, and then go to the general software update and make sure that you download the latest update on your iPhone. A third method is by checking your zoom settings. So go back to your settings here or home screen, then go to settings, and then go to accessibility, select on zoom, make sure to turn off the zoom settings. Next is by disabling low power mode. Go to settings, go to battery, and turn off the low power mode. This can help you fix the issue. Next is disabling the night shift. So what you're going to do is go to again to your settings and then select on display and brightness and then disable the night shift right over here. Once done, you can check if it fixed the brightness issue on your iPhone. If not, you can now first restart your iPhone. So tap and hold your device on your power button and then you just have to restart or turn this off your iPhone. Once you turned on and then if problems still persist, go to your settings, go to general and transfer reset, and then go to reset all settings. Then all of the options here, if you're going to follow all these steps, then it should be fix the issue on your brightness option. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video.